Hey guys, this is me, Shay Baby, and today I'm going to be taking you on an adventure with me. Okay, the intro. Alright, so today we're going to New York because we're going to be taking a photo shoot to build my modeling portfolio. Mommy, say hi.
You see her looking?
Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, and she's the GOAT. She's going to be taking us on this journey today.
She's the
Uber. Thun. Christina, say hello.
You won't even record.
Say hello. And this is LXVII.
Yes,
everybody
famous,
know her. Everybody knows her. Buy her music on iTunes at LXVII. Put the link in the bio, in the description.
Who am I saying hi to?
YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
You saw me back and I felt no, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you.
Alright, so we finally made it to New York. We're on our way to West 38th Street, and I'm going to keep you guys updated of what I'm doing. Alright, we finally found parking, and now we're on our way to do my thing. Let's hit what up. Big city, big dreams. Alright, I'm gonna start recording. I'm not saying much.
You saw me back and I feel no, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing would happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Baby, I just want you to say hola, 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 hola. Baby, I just want you to say hola, 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 hola. Baby, I just want you to say I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Baby, I just want you to say baby, I just want you to say give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will.
Alright, so I finally had something to eat. I had some shrimp and chips. I still got some makeup on. But we're gonna finally head back home. I'm gonna go back to Pennsylvania.
Kind of miss Pennsylvania.
Yep, I don't miss the city anymore.
Video.
Let's go.
I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Baby, I just want you to say is why